good. Trying to grab some more cubes. Full dudes getting ready to push those reps off. Pika Pika with a ton of cubes. With 35 seconds left, you can now switch drivers. Pika Pika getting more cubes in their system. Full dudes with a lot of cubes in their system. 25 seconds left, you must have switched. Alright. With so many cubes up in these high goals. Full dudes getting some more. Pika Pika getting some more. With 10 seconds left, we'll see what teams try to do in order to get the park. We've got 2 parks for both teams for a very high scoring final takedown.